Call na daw niya ni Liam.
Patay. Patay siya sa akin.
Ikaw dyan, pre.
Ito, gagawin nakatayo sa banner.
I stretch my hand on my crib just cause
Meron pa, Liam, meron pa.
Sino yun? Eh, di niyo pinasukan.
nobody gives a fuck about me.
Inis na lang kayo ah. Baril pa kayo sa ano.
That's what I think to myself when I walk around knowing there's nobody with me. What do I say when there's nobody listening? I want this earth all for myself. I'm doing drugs, but I know my voice is nothing when I'm screaming for help. I stretch my hand on my crib just cause
Sir.
Pan, go!
Ayun na, nakikita ko
Ina
sila.
mo ah.
Yeah, paralisyo bro.
Lag!
Naglag!